Easter crafting. Easter crafting. We're just going to take this small little bunny and we're just going to kind of decorate him up. So I'm Vicky with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's get started. I love these little bunnies I got from Hobby Lobby. You can also get them from the Dollar Tree. We're going to just decorate ours up so they can't stand by themselves and all the things. I've got a wood round base and a bunny. I've got some little eyes. We're going to put some little eyes. These are just pin eyes. And we're going to just put it in the holes. This is like a foam, so that will fit perfect in there. Then we're going to take our wood round piece. Just going to Dremel. I've got some floral wire. We're going to stick our floral wire in the holes that we just did. We're just going to take some tacky glue. Coat the bottom of this. Our Spanish moss. Take our bunny. We're going to stick him in there. This is Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.